Hello everyone. Welcome to this Bold Reports tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to embed a report from the report server into your React application. Report Server is a powerful application that allows you to store, manage, and deliver reports for your users. Embedding Report Server into your application provides seamless access to your reports without switching between different applications. Let's get started. Before creating a React application, ensure your development environment is set up with the following. Node.js, npm. I've already installed Node.js on my machine. Now, I need to install the Create React App package globally. This package provides a simple way to create a single-page React application with a ready-to-use build setup and no configuration required. So, I run this command to install it. Next, I will create a new React application by running this command and naming the app React Report Server Report. Once the application is created, I need to install the necessary React classes and packages. First, I change the directory to the application's root folder and run this command to install the type definitions for the Create React class. Next, I install the Bold Reports React package by running this command. After that, I open the application folder in Visual Studio Code. Bold Reports requires the window.jQuery object to render the React components. So I create a globals.js file in the src folder and import jQuery. Similarly, I import the React library for building user interfaces, the Create React class library for defining components with a legacy API, and the React DOM library for rendering those components in the DOM. By assigning these imports to global variables, I ensure that they are accessible throughout the application or in the browser console without needing to be imported repeatedly. Then I open the index.js file and import the globals.js file. Next, I need to import the Bold Report Viewer scripts and styles. I open the app.js file and add them. I remove the existing code within the app function and create a div element to serve as the container for the Bold Report Viewer on the web page. The style attribute is used to apply inline styles to the div, defining its height and width. Inside this div, I add the Bold Report Viewer component tag to render the report viewer. In this tag, I add the ID attribute and assign the value report viewer container, which specifies a unique identifier for the HTML element. Next, to render the report from report server, I set values for report server URL, report service URL, service authorization token, and report path. First, I add the report service URL. This specifies the web API service URL. It contains the server, service, and REST APIs names. In this demo, since I have hosted the report server on my local machine, I have specified the report server name as localhost with the port number on which I am hosting it. Next, I add the report server URL, which specifies the server name and the site information. Then, I need to add the authorization token. I log in to my report server. I open the user profile page. Here, I click the personal access token from the top pane. To generate the token, I click the Generate Token button and copy it. Finally, I set the path in the report path. This report is found on my report server under the Sample Reports category, which I will load at runtime. Now everything is ready to load the report viewer. I'll execute this command, and the report will begin loading in the browser. As you can see, the sales order detail report is rendered. In this video, I have shown you how to embed a report from the Bold Reports report server into a React application. If you found this video useful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.